Basically today's workshop, this is inlay work. I'll show you my sample piece. So this is my sample piece which I have done in inlay work and which was posted in the flyer. So the same work, this whole work, it takes time to do. At least might be 2 hours to finish the clay work and another 2 hours to finish the painting work. So the same technique I'm going to teach you in a this Haldi Kumkum box. This is a Haldi Kumkum box. You can use wooden coaster, wooden box, or you can do on a plastic bottle or a glass bottle, anything you can do. You have to just incorporate the same technique wherever you want. So I'm going to do, this is a Haldi Kumkum, sunflower Haldi Kumkum box. So we have cabinets here. You can do on a coaster. If you have a plastic coaster at a home or a wooden coaster at a home, you can do on that. Or if you have a paper box, hard paper box, you can do on that. Or even if you have a bottle or a glass or a tin containers, anything you can do. You can even use this Milkmaid tin containers, or you have like this wafers container, tin containers, glass containers, anything. Same techniques, you have to cover it with clay, how we are working today, color it, and then how we are doing the work, same way you have to do. So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to do only what I have done now. Now basically, suppose you want to do an elephant like this, you can cut the elephant in a cardboard or a mound board. Mound board is easily available nearby any stationery shop. Take 6 mm mound board, draw the picture and take a thermocol cutter and cut the mound board. I have basically done this on a mound board. This is mound board. This is a white mound board, 6 mm. I have done on that. So same way, suppose if you want to do any other design, elephant, usually they will make elephant in inlay work. Inlay work is basically, the technique here is inlay, but the work, this is known as pachinkari. This work is known as pachinkari and the technique here is used inlay. So basically this is very flat. It is not embossed like Meenakari. So it looks, you will see in the Taj Mahal, this work is known as pachinkari and it is usually done in marble. So if you go to Taj Mahal, there you will see on the walls, they have this pachinkari work. If you just search pachinkari, you can see a lot of designs, and any design from there you can incorporate. Those people, they will do only this type of inlay work. The pachinkari inlay work is done only on marble. So on marble, basically they will paint it. It will not be embossed. It will look like embossed, but it will not be embossed. When you feel it, it will be totally flat. So basically you have to work, when you look from top, if you see, you can feel like these flowers and these leaves and all, they are printed on the marble. So basically it is printed, the marble is curved, the carving is very light and it is filled with colors, and when you look from top of the marble will be flat. So basically it will look like it is printed or painted on the marble. So this types of work usually have in walls of the Taj Mahal. So if you search pachinkari is basically inlay work. The art is known as pachinkari and it's basically inlay work. So we'll start this work. I'm going to do it on a, as I told you, I'll be doing on this box. So I'll put and let me show you the materials what you need. So basically we need Hobby Ideas color, we need mold it, we need glass colors, and we need Fevicol, and we need 3D gold outliner. So you need 3D gold outliner. Okay. So these are the products you need to make this project. Now, so let's place the camera towards the table so that you all can see me working. Okay. So here it is. So okay, am I audible and visible correctly? So just let me know so we can go ahead with the session. So please write and let me know, any of you, that yes ma'am, please go ahead. You are audible and visible correctly. Okay. So let's start. So here is the clay. Uma Shukla, am I just now I have accepted your I have approved your membership. So please Uma, submit all your 3 projects. Thank you Kunda for letting me know that I am audible and visible perfectly. So let's start the session. 6 new members I have given approval today because you people have asked me from a long time, but finally I thought okay, last moment you people will send material and ask for approval. I have approved all your membership, so please do submit the projects. The videos will be available for all of you still till 6th of April. So please all of you submit your projects. So as I told you that we have to mix the clay in equal quantity. Take some powder and mix the clay. So पहले भी हमने बताया है और अभी भी बता रही हूँ कि इस क्ले 2 अलग अलग कलर के आते हैं. इनको आपको अच्छी तरह से मिक्स करना है. तब तक मिक्स करना है जब तक आपको एक सिंगल कलर नहीं मिल जाए. और मिक्स करते समय थोड़ा सा टैल्कम पाउडर इसमें डालते जाइए ताकि वो क्ले आपके हाथ पे चिपके नहीं. थैंक यू गीता फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. ऑल ऑफ यू थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड प्लीज rate and review all this session on our Facebook page Mamta Creations. I'll be sharing the link here in this video. After having a look at this video, do rate and review the session. Mention that recently I attended the mega clay workshop, free Fevikwik free mega clay workshop, and mention that and please review it. So reviewing on the page is what the visibility is there. If you review here, the visibility is less here. So that's why we request you to review on our Facebook page, Mamta Creations. Okay. So you have to mix like this nicely till you get a single color. Okay. So आपको इस तरह से अच्छे से मिक्स करना है. दोनों कलर को आपस में अच्छे से मिक्स करना है जब तक आपका एक सिंगल कलर नहीं हो जाए. क्या होता है अगर आपका कभी कभी आपका क्ले आप जब मिक्स करके काम करते हो तो हार्ड नहीं होता है. तो हार्ड नहीं होने का कारण यही रहता है कि आपने उसको बराबर मिक्स नहीं किया है. सो प्लीज मिक्स द मोल्डेड क्ले नाइसली एंड मिक्स हाउ मच यू नीड. डोंट ठीक है. सो ये रहा. नाउ लेट मी रोल इट. So basically आपको अच्छी तरह से इसको रोल करना है और रोल करने के बाद यूनिफॉर्म रोल कीजिए ताकि वो मोटा और पतला नहीं हो. और रोल करते समय हल्का सा पाउडर लगाइए ताकि वो आपके जहां पे आप रोल कर रहे हो उस पे वो चिपके नहीं. ओके. Done. Now basically so put some glue. So little bit glue is a must. कभी भी आप क्ले का काम कर रहे हो, आपको कोई भी पार्ट पे कहीं भी क्ले लगाना है, हल्का सा ग्लू जरूर लगाइए ताकि आपका वो निकल के नहीं आए. ठीक है. सो अभी हम इसको इस तरह से लगा देंगे. और क्योंकि ये पार्टीशन वाला है तो इस बात का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा हमें कि ये बाकी क्ले को हमें काट के निकालना है क्योंकि ये आपका सेपरेटर है, ऊपर वाला केस है. So we have to cut it out, take it out. So basically, so because this, if you by mistake if you close this, so what will happen? This will get sealed. So for that reason, after putting, I am cutting it out. Now gently I will put some Fevicol here and gently push the clay to the edges, and if it is extra we will take it out. So थोड़ा सा आप इसको हल्का सा फेविकॉल लगा के इस वाले पार्ट को पाउडर लगा के हल्का सा स्मूथ करिए, ताकि वो एयर बबल्स अगर कहीं पे रहे तो वो निकल जाए और आपका ऊपर वाला एरिया स्मूथ हो जाए. इसके बाद यू हैव टू पुट सम पाउडर हियर एंड ट्राई टू कवर द एजेस. Same way, just try to cover it. Okay, now so let it dry little bit, then we will, because it is very wet, so we won't be able to slightly I will just push, try to put little clay and then try to spread it with the finger. The edges also we have to cover it nicely. If you would have put the Fevicol there in the edges, means it would have taken the clay. So if something like this is there, you want to cover the coaster edges also, so to put in the edges also Fevicol and then put the clay and then cut the clay, so automatically the edges will get the Fevicol, the edges will get the clay. Okay, now ये वाला एरिया आपको अच्छे से स्मूथ करना है ताकि वहां पे कोई भी एयर बबल्स नहीं रहे और आपका वो स्मूथ हो. अभी so now we are going to make into leaves shape and cut 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 leaves are there. So we need to cut them, roll and cut 8 leaves to put in the clay here. So 8 petals हैं sunflower के. So एक पैकेट क्ले में आपका हो जाना चाहिए. अगर थोड़ा बहुत कम पड़े, डिपेंड करता है आप कितना बड़ा काम कर रहे हो और कितना यूज कर रहे हो, उस हिसाब से आपका क्ले पूरा हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ जैसे कि एक लीफ की आप कटिंग कर लो, उसी हिसाब से आप 6 की 6 लीफ कट कर लो. सो थोड़ा सा आप शेप करके कट कर लो, फिर वो क्या होगा आपका, उसी हिसाब से आप कट कर लोगे तो आपको रफली आप कट कर लीजिए. सो और इसके बाद छोटा बड़ा जो होगा आप उसको ये करके लगा सकते हो, एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. रफली भी इसे हम कट कर लेते हैं हम लोग और उस पे सब पे लगा लेंगे. ये हुआ है. So almost eight petals we have cut to cover this area. Now what you have to do, by this time this is slightly hardened up. So what you do, any air bubbles are there, just try to push them up, so that because marble is very polished, very smooth, no, so it should be like that. For that reason what we are doing, we will gently smoothen it up, and the edges also now we can smoothen up. तो आपको बहुत जेंटली करना है. अभी क्ले आपका बहुत ही ये है, सॉफ्ट है, तो उस बात का आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि इसमें डेप्थ नहीं आनी चाहिए. तो थोड़ा सा आप पाउडर लगा के कर सकते हो, जैसे कि मैं कर रही हूँ, ताकि वो स्मूथ हो. ऊपर का एटलीस्ट आपका बहुत स्मूथ हो और वो आपको जैसे कि मार्बल की तरह लगे, इसमें रिंकल्स नहीं हो. सो बीच में थोड़ा सा फट गया है तो आप उसको बराबर कर लीजिए. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू पुट ऑल दिस फटाफट, and then we will start the inlay work. Everything will show you. So here it is. So इस पे आप प्लेस करते चले जाइए और इसके बाद एक्स्ट्रा जो होगा उसको आप निकाल दीजिएगा. So basically covering the clay has to be done very patiently so that it is uniform. It is not thick and thin. So you have to take care of that. So here it is. So yeah, 2 more petals we'll put. Okay, so अभी आप 2 और पेटल डाल के इसको ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. तो इसको वी हैव टू पेंट इट एंड देन वील स्टार्ट वर्किंग. So one more, done. Now smoothen up all the area. Okay, so we have to edges you put little Fevicol, so when you are modeling the clay, automatically it will get done, stuck. Okay, so आराम से उसको आप सारे एजेस को स्मूथ कर लीजिए पाउडर लगा लगा के, और क्ले को प्रेस कर दीजिए आप आराम से. सी, so it should be smooth because marble is very smooth. So we want to give the look of the marble. So for that reason we have to everywhere we have to nicely first smooth the top area and then smooth the down area. So नीचे वाला एरिया को भी आपको अच्छे से क्ले डाल डाल के इसको वापस स्मूथ करना पड़ेगा. So it takes time to cover the clay. Usually what we'll do, it will take 2 days time. One day you put the clay nicely and smoothen it up nicely so that your area is totally flat, and afterwards you have to do the painting work all. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do like this, all smoothen up and the same time label them up so that your clay is in one label. It is not. And this also you can smoothen up the top area. Okay, so ओके. सो अभी साइड्स में आप उसको अच्छे से लेबल कर लीजिए ताकि इसका शेप बराबर हो जाए. जब सॉफ्ट रहेगा तो आप उसको लेबलिंग सब जो भी आपको करना है आप कर सकते हो. एक बार वो हार्ड हो जाएगा तो आप उसको शेप नहीं दे पाओगे. जैसे कि हम लोगों ने कल पॉट में जो किया था, गुजरा पॉट में ट्विस्ट करके बनाया था पॉट को, तो जब वो सॉफ्ट था उसी समय हम लोगों ने ट्विस्ट कर दिया था, तो पॉट का सूखने के बाद पॉट का शेप वैसे ही था, ट्विस्टेड. ठीक है, तो आप उसको जब ये सॉफ्ट है तो आप उसको अपना शेप दे सकते हो. अगर उसको पॉइंटेड करना है सनफ्लावर की तरह तो आप सनफ्लावर की तरह पॉइंटेड कर सकते हो. और अभी ये जो है, क्योंकि ये बॉक्स नहीं खुलेगा इसलिए हमको ये क्ले यहाँ से साइड से निकाल लेना पड़ेगा ताकि ये जब बॉक्स हमारा खुले तो ये खुल सके. तो अभी हम लोगों ने इसको स्मूदन अप किया है तो एक्स्ट्रा क्ले जो है साइड में हम उसको निकाल लेंगे. ठीक है, सो ऑलमोस्ट डन है ये. अभी आपको क्या करना है, व्हाट वी डू यूजली, ठीक है. अभी इस पे आपको प्रेस करके इम्प्रिंट करके पेंटिंग वर्क के लिए आपको इस पे डिजाइन क्रिएट करना है. और वो डिजाइन वैसे ही रहेगा जैसे कि ये सब इसमें हम लोगों ने किया है. क्ले का काम करने के बाद ये जो फ्लावर्स है इसको प्रेस किया गया है, तो आपको उस तरह से प्रेस करना है इसमें. So I'm showing you how you will press and create the impression. So take anything pointed like this, press here. See. So ये जो आप प्रेस कर रहे हो इसके अंदर आप कलर भरोगे. ठीक है, फिर आपकी ऐसे आप इसमें कर सकते हो पूरा. सो अलग अलग कलर्स आप भर सकते हो. सो वेन इट इज सॉफ्ट, टेक स्टोन. अगर आपको लीव शेप में चाहिए तो वैसा शेप का स्टोन लीजिए और उसी प्रकार से आपको उसको प्रेस करना है. ओके, सो ये हुआ आपका. आप देखिए इस तरह जब आपका क्ले सॉफ्ट है तो आपको उसी तरह प्रेस करके इस पे होल्स बनाना है. आप अगर आपको अगर लीव शेप चाहिए लंबा तो आप पेंसिल से ऐसे लंबा लंबा कर सकते हो, नहीं तो ऐसे राउंड. जैसे इस पे है, इस पे हम क्या करेंगे, हम लोग ऐसे करेंगे. तो ये क्या होगा, आपका लीव शेप होगा ये. तो ये लीफ की तरह होगा आपका, पत्ते की तरह. तो इसको हम पत्ते की तरह कर रहे हैं. तो जब ये इस पे कलर हम भरेंगे तो उसी तरह से आपको भरना पड़ेगा ताकि वो इनले की तरह वो प्रिंट जो है ऊपर से फ्लैट लगेगा, आपका वो इनले की तरह लगेगा. सो ये सारी डिजाइन्स जब इसमें मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको, एलिफेंट जो हम लोगों ने बनाया है सैंपल पीस, तो आप कोई भी चीज ऐसे बना सकते हो। तो इस तरह से पूरा आपको इम्प्रेशन करना है। तो ये सारे जैसे कि क्ले जब सॉफ्ट रहेगा तो ये सारे फ्लावर्स के, लीव्स के सारे इम्प्रेशन क्रिएट किए गए हैं। यू हैव टू क्रिएट ऑल दिस इम्प्रेशन। कैन यू सी दिस राउंड होल्स, everything you have to create when the clay is soft, and then you have to fill it with glass colors, and then after that you have to do 3D outliner eye outline. Before doing that you have to put the marble color here. So the marble color is basically more of white, one drop of lemon yellow and coat. Okay, so here we are. Now what we will do, so अगर आपको लीफ की तरह शेप चाहिए तो आप पेंसिल से ऐसे करिए. इफ यू वांट अ लीफ शेप यू डू विथ पेंसिल लाइक दिस, एंड इफ यू वांट अ राउंड फ्लावर शेप you should do with the back side of the pencil. You have to press with back side of the brush. The back side of the brush is enough. Okay, now we will start the painting work now. Okay, so let's start the painting work. So be careful when you are working. So don't damage the clay and all, because it is very soft. You have to be careful when you are working. Now let's start the painting work. We'll give everything we are doing in one shot. After giving the impression you have to keep it for drying. पूरा सूख जाएगा तभी आपको पेंट लगाना है. लेकिन I am showing you in one shot, so I'll put the paint just now. See, my things are not dried, so that's why it is all getting wet. It's all getting damaged. But you people should smoothen the clay, put the impression, keep it for drying, then put paint. Don't put paint in one shot. So basically no need of keeping in the depths, because there I am going to fill the colors. You have to basically put the marble color, means you have to take white color and little bit of lemon yellow in that and coat the work. 2 coat you should give to the work so that the work looks nice. And then so basically आपको 2 कोट देना है. आप थोड़ा सा उसमें लेमन येलो ले सकते हो, ज्यादा नहीं. Okay, and as we have coated this one, give 2 coats of color nicely. Let it dry nicely. This color has to be completely dry, then only the 3D work and the other work you have to do. So nicely coat it and keep 2 coats of this marble color you have to give, which we have mixed just a pinch of lemon yellow in white, and you have to coat it all like this. So nicely you have to do. Okay, so या थोड़ा ब्राइट दिखना चाहिए आपका कलर। और वार्निश बहुत ही जरूरी है। पेंट भरने के बाद जब सूख जाएगा तो आपको वार्निश करना है। यू कैन यूज मॉड फर्स्ट फॉर वार्निश और यू कैन यूज वुड वार्निश व्हाट इज अवेलेबल इन द हार्डवेयर शॉप। आई हैव वार्निश्ड दिस, mine this is varnished, can you have a look? So this basically is varnished. So as I have told you, you can basically varnish that after putting this marble color 2 coats so that it is very nice bright. Now what we have to do, so sides of the box everywhere you paint it nicely and then keep it for drying. So this is basically a haldi kumkum box what we get. So you can do a pen stand in a tin container or you can do on a table. If you have small table you can do a table. Basically they will make tables, marble boxes. This type of work will be done on marble boxes, table, and elephant. This elephant what I have shown you, it will be done like that. Okay, so now very carefully you have to let this thing dry up, then you have to fill the colors. Colors fill करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, you have to take glass colors. Try to take bright glass colors. Don't take light glass colors. Take bright glass colors like red, green. Take red, dark blue, dark green, and what is this? We don't know. Brown, I think. Something. Black we don't want. Don't take black. Don't take brown. Don't take white. If you want glossy, after putting this color, you can even shake the white glass color and put the white glass color and then put the other glass color. So that will also give you a nice marble-like look. So yellow don't use. Pink if you want, you can use. Yellow also you can use. Keep pink and yellow you keep in the last option. Don't use them. This is our tomato red we don't want. We want dark red. Orange, yeah, tomato red, orange we don't want, we want tomato red because one red only we have, and this is pink and this is yellow. So that pink, don't use pink, yellow, use only red, blue, green. Now what you have to do, you have to carefully fill color in all this. Now filling color slowly, या तो आप ब्रश से भरिए या तो आप ड्रॉपर से अगर भर रहे हैं तो बहुत केयरफुली भरिए, क्योंकि चांसेस क्या होता है इसमें, कलर अगर आपका ज्यादा हो जाएगा, होल के बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए कलर आपका सिर्फ होल के अंदर ही रहना चाहिए। जो आपने होल बनाया है उसके अंदर ही कलर जाना चाहिए। 1 minute, so let me bring it more closer so you people can watch it. See, the color should go inside only the depth, not all around. Only inside the depth it should be. And if you get bubbles, you have to break the bubbles. So अगर bubbles हो रहा है तो आपको उसको break करना है, ठीक है। So ऐसे ही करना है आपको। और ये ग्रीन ईयर, इसी तरह से आपको एक ग्रीन एक रेड हम करेंगे, इसमें होल के अंदर ही डालेंगे, बाहर नहीं डालेंगे। केयरफुली डालिए। अगर आपका हाथ पे कंट्रोल नहीं है तो आप ब्रश से भी डाल सकते हो। इफ यू डोंट हैव कंट्रोल इन योर हैंड यू कैन ऑल्सो पुट विथ ब्रश। ओके, सो ऑल्टरनेट डाल रहे हैं, एक एक छोड़ के हम डाल रहे हैं। वी आर लीविंग वन एंड डूइंग वन, सो हियर वी विल डू दैट्स ऑल। ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो विथ रेड हियर। So red, green, blue, these are the colors which you can use. Don't use any other color. These colors only will look like your what like Pachinkari work, what they are doing. Okay, now we are here. Now we'll have this blue here, so you can put this blue here if you want, like this. So what you have to do? You have to do like this. We have created a depth. So in the depth we will put the blue color. Gently you put, or if you take the color in a palette and with brush you do if you want. That is also fine. The color should go only in the depth. So gently you have to do so that it goes inside the depth only. So this is basically the glass color will give you a shiny look like in the marble it is. The original marble work they will do on marble, pure white marble. So it will look like that. So this is basically replica of the Pachinkari work. So bubbles, जब भी आप कलर्स डाल रहे हो ग्लास कलर्स, अगर बबल्स हो तो आपको बबल्स को ब्रेक करना है. इस बात का आपको ध्यान रखना है. ग्लास कलर्स आप जब भी यूज करते हो, बबल्स जनरेट होते हैं तो आपको वो उन बबल्स को कोई भी पिन से ब्रेक करना है. ओके सो अभी ऐसा है आपका. अभी ये वी विल टेक वेयर बबल्स आर देयर, वी आर गोइंग टू ब्रेक द बबल्स. टेक अ पिन and break the bubbles. Okay, so breaking the bubbles is compulsory. So where we have bubbles here in glass colors, either if you are using with a dropper the bubbles will come, so you have to break the bubbles, or you can use with brush also, it's up to you. So see, all the bubbles you need to break them, otherwise it will be like this only, so it will not look nice if they dry up. So just take a pin and break the bubbles. Okay, so जो डेप्थ आपने क्रिएट किया उसी के अंदर आपको कलर्स भरने हैं. ओके, नाउ सो नाउ यू हैव टू टेक योर 3D outliner. If you want your where suppose the red color has not gone, you can again put little bit so that it gets the holes get covered. After breaking the bubbles, if you think that the red color you need to put some more, you can put some more so that it get covered. Okay, now so this is the box is ready. Now you have to do the 3D work. For the 3D work you need to till here we have completed. For the 3D work we have to leave this for drying. After it dries up, you can around this you can take the 3D outliner and you have to outline. So I'll show you, just try to show you one. I'm not going to touch the blue color because the blue color is very wet. I'll try to do in this area and show you, and rest all in the same way around the blue color also we have to do the gold outliner. The gold 3D outliner you have to do the outline, like you can see here how we have done the gold 3D outliner around the leaves, around the things and everything, and we have tried to some connection also you can do. So basically they use gold paint, so try to use the outliner very thin, don't put very thick gold outliner. Okay, so ठीक है अभी. Yes, so what you have to do, as I told you, see if there are any bubble, please break them up and try to fill nicely the colors. Okay, the green color also we'll put some more if we see. So try to have control in your hand and if you think that it is you need some more, fill it nicely. The hole I have made quite deep, so I am filling it again. So if you think that you need to put some more color, please put some more color. And then finally we'll do the 3D outliner here. Okay. Done. Now very gently, the 3D outliner only you should do when this is dried, but I want to show you how to do, so that's why I am doing it. So be around the 3D color, I am going to put the outline around the glass color, but you should wait for the glass color to dry. Please don't do it if your glass color is not dried. I want to just show all of you people, so that's why I am doing it. But you people should wait for the glass color to dry and then outline. Okay, because if you are doing outline when the glass color is wet, your 3D will change to red color. See, for me the 3D somewhere is changing to red color because my glass color is not dried. Okay, so this way you have to do the outline. We'll show you. इस तरह से आपको outline करना है. I'll just try to finish some area and show you. The rest all we can complete afterwards. Just few of the leaves I'll show. I'm not going to do all of them. You have to do the 3D very close to the glass color. Because the glass color is very wet, I am not able to do it very close to the glass color. Okay, I just want to show you how we are supposed to do outline, and rest all we can finish in the same way. So सिर्फ ऊपर वाला कर दे रही हूँ. तो जब आपका ग्लास कलर सूख जाएगा तभी आप 3D करिएगा. आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा जब तक आपका ग्लास कलर सूख ना जाए. और 3D जो आप करोगे बहुत ही पतला करना, बारीक करना, मोटा नहीं करना, क्योंकि वो मार्बल के ऊपर उनका गोल्ड पेंट रहता है. तो बेसिकली इनले वर्क में मैंने कि वो पेंट आपका मार्बल के अंदर किया हुआ है. अगर आप उसको छुओगे तो वो फ्लैट रहेगा, आप उसको फील नहीं कर पाओगे. तो इसीलिए उसको इनले वर्क बोलते हैं, पाचिनकारी इनले वर्क. ठीक है. सो आई एम बेसिकली डूइंग द आउटलाइन. So you all also have to do in the same way. I'll just finish the top area. Down I'm not going to do because the blue color is very very wet. I cannot do in the blue glass color. Okay. So glass color भी ऊपर वाला भी बहुत wet है. कभी कभी मार्बल 3D के साथ मिक्स करके ग्रीन कलर का हो जा रहा है. तो आप अगर देखोगे, मैं क्लोज लुक दूंगी तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ. ठीक है. So this is basically पाचिनकारी इनले क्ले वर्क. इनले वर्क पेंटिंग में भी होता है और अदर सिर्फ पेंटिंग से भी इनले वर्क किया जाता है. सो विल डू दैट ऑल्सो, बट दिस इज इनले क्ले वर्क. सो इनले क्ले वर्क आपको इसी तरह से काम करना है जैसे मैंने दिखाया है. सो यू हैव टू वर्क इन दिस वे हाउ आई हैव शोड यू टुडे. डन. So I have finished this and I would like all of you, I have been to have a closer look. Okay. So this is how your work should look. So this is basically inlay clay work, and we have tried to replicate this pachinkari work which we usually see in the walls of the Taj Mahal. So this is pachinkari. So here is the elephant what we have done. So if any of you are interested in doing the elephant, let us know. We'll share the design or you can create your own design. This is the technique. First do the clay work, then put little white color and little bit of lemon yellow and color the base. Give 2 coats of the marble color what you have prepared. by mixing just a pinch of lemon yellow in white color. After the 2 coats dried out, before giving the 2 coats, you have to create your impression for the inlay work by pressing by anything what we by the back side of the pencil or brush, create the impression and create the pattern, and then fill those gaps with glass colors, and finally put 3D outliner. So this is how the inlay clay work is done. I hope all of you liked it. Any of you have any doubt and clarification, please let me know. We are ready to take your things. See, basically when we conduct the session, only few people are present, Priyanka and Renu and Riya Sethi, and others we don't know where they are. So, and then they will request, ma'am, please don't delete the video. We want the video because we want to watch and submit, and that's why on you people request we are not deleting the videos. So I hope all of you will surely watch this video and submit your submission. As you know that submission is very, very important. On 7th of April, we are going to raise your e-certificates. So 6th is the last day of submission. So all of you please try to submit all your 3 projects so that on 7th evening we can raise your e-certificates. Last time also we had a good evening, Sujata. Thank you for all of you for watching, and so I hope all of you like this work. So this is my inlay work. I have done an elephant design for my ETTC presentation, and today I have the same thing I have shown all of you in this Haldi Kumkum box. So in this Haldi Kumkum box I have shown you the same design. So the whole method is same. You have to work in this way and create your submission. You can do a poster also. If you have a wooden coaster, on the coaster you can do clay work. Same way, create impression. It will be usually flower and leaves. The design will be usually flower and leaves like this. So create the impression. The impression for the leaves can be created even with your kundan stone, or you have anything in leaf shape. You can press and create, or as I told you, this pointed side of the pencil, it gives you a leaf shape. So in the same way you can do, and then after it dries up, after the impression is done and the clay completely dries up, give it 2 coat of this marble base color which I have taught you, and then fill the gaps, whatever impression you have created, the gaps with glass color. See, it is very flat. It should be very flat. It should not be embossed like Meenakari. Meenakari is very embossed. It should not be embossed. It should be very, very flat. So where we have created the impression, there will fill the color. Your clay has gone down, the gap has been created. It has to be filled with the color, and then after that you have to use the 3D outliner to outline the design, and then you can varnish your project. So basically this is, you can do the same thing on a photo frame. Suppose you have a photo frame, the edges of the photo frame, put some clay, create the impression, and then it will be basically floral design, leaves and flowers. So create the impression, fill with colors, paint with the marble color. Suppose you have a photo frame, the edges of the photo frame, you can put some clay, smoothen it up, put this base coat, create the impression, put the base coat, fill with glass colors, and finally do the 3D outliner design. So I am giving you a lot of ideas. You have a lot of options. So look around your house, whatever you have. You can take a photo frame, a ready-made photo frame, or a wooden coaster, or a tin container, or a glass container, or a plastic container. Anything you can, in this Pachinkari inlay work, you can give a new, this work is known as Pachinkari, and the technique here is inlay. So basically you can give a new look to any of your projects. Suppose you have a key holder, already old key holder at home, or you